Hey, welcome to Mariwari.
Hello everyone. What a great week. 3 things happened this week that I really liked. First, on Thursday, I got a new laptop and I made my first unboxing video.
Lekker! On Monday, I ordered a laptop online from Phil's computer repository here in Korea, and it finally arrived. So here's my unboxing. I don't know how some people can do unboxings and not just rip everything apart, so I'm just gonna do that. Who needs that much bubble wrap? Well, it kept my laptop safe, so I'm happy. Ha! Now for the slow reveal. Nice bag. Phil sent me a little letter. Oh, it's just my receipt. Whew! This thing feels sexy. Oh, it's because it's in a bag. Okay. Oh, it feels even sexier inside the bag. Whew! Ah, this. Just get rid of those boxes. Okay, so what else is in here? Papers I don't need. Charger. That's it. Okay, important things. Haha! Ain't she a beaut? Wow. Is that a light?
Yeah.
Oh, Deba. That means awesome in Korean. Woo! The screen is smaller than I was expecting it to be. But it's beautiful. It's so smooth. Thin bezel. What is bezel? Thin screen. Thin monitor. Thin mulayo. Thin sides? Thin sides, okay, thin sides. I'm talking to my friend Rian behind the camera and he's telling me what a bezel is, but now I want to know what a bezel is. It's got a giant speaker. Where's the giant speaker? Underneath? Aha! Wow. Oh, in the back. Yeah. Yes! It's a massive thing here. A machine! Okay. Core i7 9th generation GeForce GTX NVIDIA Steel Series. Let me do something to test something. I just want to do something. Let's open YouTube. Or let's connect to the internet first. I don't have the password. Is there a router? Are you bringing me the cable? On this side, okay. 괜찮아? It's okay. Grand. Don't give me a virus. Google Chrome, open. YouTuber. Oh, this keyboard is nice. Okay, so that was my unboxing. Cheers.
Second thing that happened is I got to go to Ulsan to party with my friends from the Ulsan Goblin rugby team, and we had quite a rager of a night. I didn't go to sleep until just before 9 this morning when I got home, because we partied until 3 a.m. I think, and then after that we went to a restaurant And after the restaurant, me and two of the other guys went to a PC bung to play some computer games until the buses started running. But we ended up just taking a short nap in the PC bung, and then from there I took a bus back to Daegu, and then I took a long nap. I slept from 9 until 3. Yeah, so now I feel much better. And here's a look at what last night looked like. Downing for Ulsan Goblins. Cheers, Nate.
Yeah. His reaction obviously. No. The white one's casual. I'm casual. Okay, that's pretty fun.
Camera's over here, so you have to look here. And then you tell me what's going on now. The video.
This is Goblins end-of-year function.
Yeah.
The Goblins come together, we have good food.
The camera's down here.
Beep that up. We have good food, we have a good party, we just have a good night all together, we give some awards, and then we get very, very drunk, as rugby players normally do.
I go like this, and it doesn't touch right.
Okay, so third and final thing that I'm really excited about this week is that I got to tick another 7 days of my countdown until I go back home to see my family again. Cha-cha-cha! Yeah! The reason why I'm so excited about this is because in 2015 I was in America, so I missed a lot of important things with my family, like spending Christmas with them, my mom's birthday, my dad's birthday, my birthday, New Year, all those things. And then 2016 and 17 I was in Korea, so I missed those days again. But in 2018 I got the chance to fly home just before my mom's birthday, or actually I landed in South Africa on my mom's birthday, so I got to spend my mom's birthday with her again, Christmas, my dad's birthday, my birthday, and I just missed my sister's birthday, but I got to spend almost 5 months with my family, so that was really good. Unfortunately, this year I already missed my mom's birthday, and I'm gonna miss Christmas as well, then my birthday, my dad's birthday, and my sister's birthday. But hopefully on the 2nd of March I'll be able to fly back to South Africa and then spend in the about 2.5 months with my family again, and I'm really excited about that. Okay, I'm gonna end the video right here and go get ready for another Kakopdi Duck session with Rian. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of my content, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for another Whiskey Wednesday. Cheers, and thanks for watching.